Hi everyone! In this video I am going to show you how to crochet a simple flower to decorate a baby bonnet. Make a magic ring. Crochet 1 chain stitch and make 7 single crochets into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Tighten up the ring and make a slip stitch into the first single crochet of this row. The first row is ready. Make 3 chain stitches in the second row. Then make a cluster stitch of 2 double crochet. Make a double crochet and 2 loops on the hook left. And again a double crochet, crochet 2 stitches, 3 loops left on the hook. Crochet 3 stitches. Then make 3 chain stitches and a slip stitch. Go to the next petal. Make a slip stitch in the next stitch. Then make 3 chain stitches and a cluster stitch of 2 double crochets. The first and the second double crochet. Connect together 3 loops on the hook. Again make 3 chain stitches and a slip stitch. You crochet 7 petals like this. Make a slip stitch, 3 chain stitches and a cluster stitch of 2 double crochets. Then make 3 chain stitches and a slip stitch. You'll crochet like this till you finish this row. I've crocheted 7 petals. Then insert the hook from the wrong side and pull the loop to the wrong side. Make 1 chain stitch and cut your yarn. Our simple flower is ready. Okay, goodbye, see you in new videos.